Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 4a and let me show you how to clean junk files on the following device. Let's start by using a home screen. Let me find and select the security app. Choose the cleaner right here. The device is scanning for any trash, and the device found some trash that you can erase. For example, the following logs right here, and you can easily clean this trash by using a cleanup button. Let me tap it, and the device just erased the trash files from your device. If you would like to go further, you can choose deep clean, and it deletes big files to duplicate photos and other items. So let me choose clean now in my case, and as you can see, this is the list of files that I can erase by using a deep clean. But let me go back, let me don't erase anything, and now you can use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.